Using your smartphone to design flyers, logos, and book covers is a very important skill that you need to learn in this digital age. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your smartphone to design beautiful flyers like this, and even logos and mock-up for book covers, for t-shirt designs, and many other things using a very simple and easy to use application software. Make sure you have subscribed to this channel in order to be notified on the next tutorial video, because it's going to be a step-by-step practical one to achieve you being a professional at this. See you in class. Welcome to class. Welcome to today's session. In this session, I'm going to show you how to set your background using Pixellab for smartphone graphic design. Let's head right into it. So this is my Pixellab. I'm opening right now, and I want to cancel. And yes, I want to cancel. Yeah, I want to open a new project and tap OK. So how do we go about background? How do we set background using Pixellab? This particular tool this particular tool right here, I'm trying to get it, this one down here at the bottom here. Okay, this tool right here, when you open it, is going to help you do everything background. That's the tool that helps you to work on your background, add color, remove color, edit your background. If you need a transparent background, that's when you're working on a logo and you want a transparent background, you can do that. Anything that has to do with background, setting background, you do it on this one. Don't be confused, please. When you want to work on background, you go to this particular icon, this particular tool here. When you want to work on an image, after working on the back, after setting the background, and want to work on an image that you added to your flyer, you go to this third tool here, the one at the center. That one helps you to work on images, just images, only images. You cannot work on images outside this. And if you want to work on a text, this particular tool here, A, help you to work on only text. You cannot edit a text using the third one. You cannot edit a background using the third one or the first one or the second one. Please take note of that. So we are going right there to this background editing tool, and look at the options right here. Color, you want to set your background color, you do that, you choose your background color here, you just tap and then it shows you the features. Let's see it. You open it and let's choose our background color. Do you want a plain color or a gradient color? If you want a plain background, just a plain color, you tap the color of your choice and it affects the background immediately. So let's take white for instance as our plain color, and then if you want a gradient color, you tap gradients, and gradients has to do with the combination of two or more colors blending together. So you can pick any gradient color of your choice. Let's say you want to pick this one as your background color. It's actually beautiful, but the color of your background rather should be determined by the context of your flyer. Let me say that again. The type of flyer you want to make, let me say it's a birthday flyer, that's the context. That type of flyer should determine the type of background you choose. So you don't just pick any color or any gradient. It has to be according to the context of the flyer you are making. If you're making a flyer for children's stuff, you know the color to use. You're making a flyer for wealth creation, you know the color to use. You're making a flyer for spa, life, health, vitality, and all, you should know the color to pick. So that's the determining factor. And if you also want to you want to set your own, maybe you don't like this gradient color and you want to set your own gradient, you can go to this plus here, you tap it and then you see the options. So if you want to change the color, you can just tap here and then tap on this color icon, then choose the color of your, just pick any color of your choice. And let me say I'm picking this color. So if I'm picking this color, it's going to reflect here And then you can also choose the degree of the color you want to use. You pick it and increase it using this circle, drag it to the left or to the right. And this third bar here is to make it transparent. This third bar, if you take it backward, it's giving you a transparent effect. If you take it forward, it's giving you a full-fledged color effect. So that's actually how it works. And you just tap OK, and that's what reflects there. You go to the next color choosing icon, which is this one here, and then tap on color and pick the color of your choice. Let's say we are picking blue, and you can increase it to any degree. You watch the degree of the color here, so you can increase it by dragging it backward or forward, as you see here, or using here, making it light or making it dark. So whatever you're doing, you can just watch it from that circle there, and also making it transparent or not. So that's actually how it works. And then tap OK, and that's what has given you. If you also want to change the third color, which is in this first bar, you tap on it. After tapping it, you now tap color and pick the color of your choice. Let's say you want to pick red, and maybe light red or deep red, and you see, that's just how it works. And tap OK. So that's how it works. So but let me effect it here. Pick red, increase it, okay, and that is it. But we have to change this one since it's already red here, and pick another color. See, I'm tapping it right here, and then I tap on color, then pick any color of my choice and tap OK. So that's literally how it works. If you want to change the middle color, you do the same thing. Tap it, tap on the color and pick the color of your choice, tap OK, and that's how it works. Then at the end of everything, you also tap OK, which is here, and you set your background color. So that's literally how it works. And then you tap this good sign and you're done. If you want a transparent background, that's an invisible background, you tap here. But you only use transparent background effects when you're working on a logo or maybe a type of design write-up, that's just a write-up that you want to copy and paste in another flyer. So that's an exceptional case. If you want to use an image or increase the image size, that's when you're using an image for your background. You can use this other icon here. If you want to use an image as your background, you just tap on image, and then you can use it. Takes your gallery, and then you pick the image of your choice to use as a background. Okay, this is image. These options give you images from Pixellab, images that Pixellab can offer you, that you want to use Pixellab images for your background. You tap, and then you see the options and pick what you want. Let's see how it works. So these are Pixellab images that you can use for your background. Maybe you want to use their own image, so you just pick it and see, pick any one of your choice, just tap it, and then that automatically becomes your background. So if you want this one, just tap OK. But if you want to use an image from your gallery, just tap image from gallery, which is right here, and to take it to your gallery. If you want it from camera, you just tap this and you take it to your camera. So that's literally how it works, how background works. Thank you so much for being part of this class today. I would like you to go back and practice this. Practice, because practice makes perfect. See you in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye.